Yo, what's up? Good morning. So, today, it's a brand new day. Nakaligo na tayo. Let's start the morning right. Let's start the day right. So, kahapon kasi hindi tayo naligo agad. Nag-breakfast tayo. Tayo lang pala yung nakapambahay doon at naka-hotel sleepers. Lahat sila nakaligo na. Nakakahiya naman. So today we're gonna be whole day work. Kaya naligo na din ako para after breakfast pahinga ng konti and then go to work na. Right, let's do this. Let's go. Hey. Same. Maybe this one's different. Seafood sauce padang. Sour. Parang kare-karehan. Wings. Pansit. Yangat. Plain rice. So breads. Salad. With water. With melon. Croissant. What's this? Soup. Maybe another soup. Bread. More pastries. And this one. Condiments. Lugaw to. Lugaw na malata. Soup. This one. Tomato. This one, beans again, and vegetables. Wow, it's mushroom. And this one, ang pinagbabawal na boiled egg. That's it. So today I'm gonna eat the usual omelette, their Indonesian fried rice, the chicken sausage. This is sahur kapaw, and this one is seafood padang, seafood sauce padang. Gonna try it. Right, that's it. Seafood sauce. It's like fish fillet. Vegetables. Makaiba yung laksa. Buti lang, hindi lang. Para siyang parang curry na naman na seafood na medyo manghang. Sa labas, naiba lang yung view. Ganda ng balls. Kain mo na ako. Okay, for our second batch, Indonesian fried rice again, and 3 kinds of goreng. I don't know what's goreng. We'll have a taste. And this one is my favorite from day one. It's chicken and beef barbecue, and with their special sauce. I love their sauce. A lot of chili. you go, let's eat. Vegetables with squid and shrimp, fish fillet, sweet and sour fish fillet, and rice, then juice. Alright, I'm gonna do room tour. So my room here in Pullman is room 610. So pagpasok nyo, syempre, meron siyang lock features na chain. Tapos ayan, straight to the room. Ayan, pagpasok, ayan, meron tayong twin bed, TV. Ayan, meron tayo dito office table, like sofa for gusto magtambay. So ito yung view sa room. Ayan, sa city view building, so dito yung room. Ayan lang naman yung view dyan. So meron tayong lampshades. Ayan, nalinis na kanina, madumi yan. Tapos ito, nasasara to. Ayan, so bubuksan. Okay, na-refill na rin yung mga sachet niya, mga papasabaw natin sa Pilipinas yan. Ito yung kanilang shower room. Ayan, meron sila dyan hot and cold, syempre. Ito yung kanilang lababo eh, no? May mirror po tayo dyan. Toothbrush, magaling toothbrush nila dyan. Tapos ito yung kanilang comfort room. Ayan, pag sinara mo yan, hindi halata eh. Ano? Parang na siya pinto. So ito yung closet. Bolt. So din dito pag-closet. Door. So yun lang yung ating room.